Welcome to Style Magic. If you're looking for a combination that both soft and feminine, yet chic and modern, you need to discover peach and white. The combination of white and peach symbolizes purity, love, and youth, creating a space full of the calmness and beauty. White, its neutral tones, provides a bright and minimal background, while peach, with its warm and pleasant shades, adds a poetic softness and charm. Peach and white combination, ultimate softness and elegance, the style and design. In party and event decor, white and peach together create a dreamy and fresh atmosphere. Arrangements with white and peach roses, white tablecloths with peach napkins or candles, and even wedding cakes with white layers and peach decoration give the setting a romantic, luxurious, and lively feel. The color combinations is ideal for those seeking simplicity with softness and a special shine, a harmony that always stays modern and stylish. Thank you for watching this video.